Welcome to Intersec Pulse, part of Intersec Global and powered by Fire Middle East magazine. We are here in the studio with some very exciting announcements from Securiton, and I'm delighted to be joined by their Vice President of International Sales, Adrian Liechti. Adrian, thank you very much for being here with us.
Thank you, Brian.
In order to get things going, I'd love it if you could talk to us a little bit more about Securiton, what you're bringing to the Middle East market, and the kind of exciting innovations that our audience are going to be seeing from you in months and years to come.
Well, thank you for that question, Ryan. We are showcasing at the Intersec Global first time our newest generation of aspirating smoke detectors. You know, Securiton is the global number 2 in aspirating detection, and since now 15 years we are launching the brand new generation of ASD systems to the market. First time showcasing it at Intersec Global this year, yes.
And is this enhancing performance on previous products or totally new product lines altogether?
Well, we have a very good product in the market currently, and nevertheless, we still decided to completely make the next step. So we're bringing a completely new product to the market, designed from scratch. So there's a total new, from the housing to the detector to the fan to the electronics to the airflow sensor. Everything is new, including the software configuration, planning software, all the IT tools are new. So it's completely new.
And what are the ideal kind of applications for this then, Adrian? What are the key sectors that possibly you're targeting with this new launch?
Of course, in terms of verticals, aspirating detection typically goes into data centers, for example. It's a booming vertical at the moment due to the AI requirements. They need massive data center capacity. It goes into logistics centers. It goes into manufacturing. It goes into exhibition halls, like Intersec typically is. So it's a very broad type of application where our product is being used.
Mm-hmm. So very, very relevant for this region in particular.
Absolutely, yes.
Now, in practice then, Adrian, simplicity, connectivity, reliability, what does that mean in practice, and what does it mean for your customers as well?
Well, you know, you always try to incorporate new functionality in a product, right? New features. So product tend to become more complex. On the other hand, we have a requirement from the market for simplicity. So we took that really as a main goal to say, let us develop an excellent product, but keep it simple. So simplicity is something we had very high up in our priority. In the end, there's a system integrator, there's an installer, somebody commissioned that system, and we have to make it simple for that person to do so. And that is very important for us on that product. And we have achieved that with that ASD 2000 product.
And it's very clear that Securiton is innovating at scale and quite impressive innovations as well. There must be some challenges that you face along the way when you're trying to produce products of such a quality.
Yeah. It's of course, when you start a development project, time to market is always very important, right? You don't want to wait 10 years for a new product to launch. You want to have that product coming soon. And we always need to calculate 12 months for certification, either VDS, UL, FM. It all takes time in our industry. So at the same time, we have the new agile development systematics where our engineering department works in, which really simplifies a few things, but it's also product development became more expensive. We have a lot of things more to incorporate. We have software tools, we have apps, we have cybersecurity considerations. So in general, development projects are becoming more expensive, and you need more people, more resources. Mm-hmm. So that is, I would say, definitely a challenge compared to 15 years ago.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Well, it's certainly an exciting time. It's very clear, Adrian, that what's coming out of Securiton right now is spearheading the market. Can we expect a lot more from you in years to come?
Absolutely. Securiton is committed to innovation. We have as well this year launching new products like a thermal camera or off-gas detection system, for the battery rooms, which is as well a vertical that is growing. We have new products to come as well next year and the year after. But you probably have to visit one of the Intersec exhibitions to find out. We keep things very quiet and very confidential and typically use an exhibition to launch it. So visit one of the Intersec Global exhibitions anywhere in the world and you will find out about our innovations to come.
Fantastic. Thank you, Adrian. It's fantastic to hear about these developments, and most definitely we look forward to seeing what Securiton is going to bring to the Middle East market at Intersec Global next year, perhaps, and in years after that.
Absolutely.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Ryan.